See him everywhere.
This call is now being recorded.
Unit 1. You see him everywhere. Now you can write in comments who wish to read. Parmar Drashti. Read whatever you can see on the screen.
Full screen. Okay. Go. Chapter 1. You see him everywhere. God is a dead. You can see him everywhere. He is the beauty of the wayside flower. He is the sweetness on the summer air. He is the lightning flash, the thunder power.
Very good. You see him everywhere. Him. This pronoun describes about God. The title describes that God is everywhere. And you see, you means we all. We all can see God everywhere. God is not dead. You can see him everywhere. God is not dead. Some of us think that we cannot see the God and so that he is not available. He is dead. In other words, we can say he is dead. But actually, God is not dead. You can see, means we all can see God everywhere. Now, some of the examples are given in this poem, which are the places where we can see the God. He is the beauty of the wayside flower. When we are moving on the roadside, at that time we can see the flower. It beautifies the nature. We can see different colors of flower, different shape. Some of them found in different seasons, and they provide different smell. In that, we can see the art of God. We can also feel the God. Next one is, he is the sweetness on the summer air. In the summer, there is too much heat, and accidentally we feel a breeze like cold wave of the air. At that time, we can feel the sweetness of the God. Next line is, he is the lightning flash, the thunders. Where it is rainy season, the sky is cloudy, and here we can see, listen the noise or voice of thunder. And during the time, we can see the lightning flash. That is called, we can feel the God. Because whatever the given message, whatever the given sentence, beauty means flowers at everywhere, sweetness in breeze or summer breeze, lightning flash in the thunderstorm. Here, everywhere, we can see the beauty and power of God. Next one, Ramalya Pari.
Okay, sir. We share his bounty in the found we eat. We hear him calling we hear him calling in the poor will. We see him in the smile of friends we meet. He writes his message on each greening hill.
We share his bounty. Bounty means gift. Whatever God has gifted us. Everything what we can see surrounding us. All of them are gifted by God. In the food we eat, we have lots of food, variety of taste, variety of crops. In crops we can see grains, fruits, vegetables, lots of things we need to eat for our livelihood. These all are gift by God. We hear him calling in the Hebrew. We hear him everywhere, wherever we are seeing, wherever we are checking. feeling. We can feel the God. Where? How? Because everywhere. Here, the word is used with word will. It means one kind of air which found in northern side of the earth, northern hemisphere. The region is North America. We can feel it by calling of God. We see him in the smile of friends we meet. Listen, think. Whenever we are sad, when we feel loneliness, at that time, accidentally, we see our close friend come to us, meet us, message us in today's language, call us, and in his smile, we also smile. We find God in the smile of our friend when we meet or when we come in communication with our friend. He writes his message on each greeting hills. Hills, when we go, they are greenery. We can see greenery there. Even in summer, we go to hill stations like Uti, Abu, Saputara, etc. And we feel happiness, we feel sweetness in the greenery of hill, natural beauty. Thus, we can feel the God each and every part surrounding us, or every place is surrounding us. Next one is yeah, names are going so speedy. I am checking the message box. Dobaria Givisa.
Yes. God is not dead. Look up some starry night and see the wonders that his hand has wrought. He is the new day and the morning light. He lives in every miracle of God.
God is not dead. Look up some starry night. Starry night means the night full of stars. Lots of stars are there. We can see here, we can feel here from the earth. And see the wonders that his hands have. Yeah, as we have talking, God is not dead. As we can see him in starry night. The night which is full of clouds. Sorry, stars. Next line. And see the wonders. We also see the wonders created by God, which is there his hands had, which is made by hands of gold. Whatever the wonder we can see, everything it is wonder for us. As a human being, we are wonder. How we are living, how we can move ourselves, how we can speak. Nature, we can see different life, vegetation, sea, ocean, valley, different trees, flowers, birds, different kinds of insects, lots of things he has prepared or he has made. That is all called wonder of God. He is the new day and the morning light. When we are asleep, we don't know whether we will wake up or not. What happened with us during night? We trust on God, and He provides us new day, new morning, new light. Because night is considered as the symbol of darkness, and day is considered as the symbol of light. This way, he provides us day, means lightness after darkness. Whatever the troublesome time in our life, that is considered as darkness. But then, God also provides the happy days, happy life. He lives in every miracle of thought, whatever we think, whatever we imagine. Here we can see the miracle of God at everywhere. The next one, Mangalani Drashti.
Yes, sir. It is his art that paints the red apple red in storm and rain. His love is ever near. How foolish then to say that God is dead, when all of nature shouts that he is here.
Yeah, last stanza of the poem. It is his art. You can see art of God. Here, for example, apple. Apple is red, mango is yellow. Different fruit, different flower has different color, different shape, different taste. Many of them found in different time. It is the art of God. In storms and rain, his love is ever near. Storms and rain. It is about storms and rain in our life. God is always with us. When we are in troublesome, when we are unhappy, sadness is going over our life, we are suffering for something. At that time, God is always with us. He is ever near us. Then, how foolish to say that God is there. If we can see, we can feel the art of God, creation of God everywhere. We can see also, we can feel also. Then, if we say we are a God is dead, at that time we are full. Because all of the things that we can see, with that we can feel, they shout and say, God is here. God is everywhere. This way, the poem is finished. Now, we are moving towards exercise. Before exercise, any doubt?
No,
Yes?
sir.
Very good. Now, here three questions.
No.
First question, anyone can answer without my presentation. What do you see when you look at the wayside flower? Okay, no problem. Write in comment. I will present. Whatever the first
Sir,
name
can
is.
I say?
Without my presentation?
Yes.
Okay, say.
He is the beauty of the wayside.
Very good. Now read the answer from the screen.
We
Question
see
and
the
answer.
beauty of God when we look at the wayside flowers.
Let are both question and answer.
Okay. What do you see when you look at the wayside flower? We see the beauty of God when we look at the wayside flowers.
Yes. What do you see when you look at the wayside flower? Whenever you are moving on the roads, you see many flowers. Now, what do you see there? Answer is we see the beauty of God. Now, remaining from the question, when we look at the wayside flower, the answer is beauty of God. It is the answer. Then manage some words from the question. Very good. Sorry. Then next one is
I will say,
Chandni. Yes, second question with answer.
How can we share the bounty of God?
Yeah, your sound has some
I say.
difficulty. Kanani Bhakti.
Sir, can I say I know the answer? Okay,
Why
sir.
not
can I
you on
How
mic? No one will
How,
fetch me until I say. Yes, Bhakti.
okay, sir. How can we share the bounty of God? Answer. We share the bounty of God by eating food.
We share the bounty of God by eating food, sharing food. Third one, Waghela Prithviraj Singh.
Yes. Whom do you we see in the smile of friends? Answer. We see God in the smile of friends.
Yeah. Whom do we see in the smile of friends? We can see God in the smile of friends. Now we are moving towards next slide. Here three questions. First one. Yeah, I can see the name repeating. Pokya Purva. First question with
Yes.
answer.
First question.
First means slide first question. Serial number is 4.
Yes.
First question of the slide.
God writes his message on each grilling hill.
Where does God write his message? According to poem, where? Otherwise, everywhere we can see the message of God. But according to poem, we are going. Where does God write his message? God write his message on each greening hill. Very good. Next one, Seta Prachi.
Yes, sir. What is it that paints the red apple? It is God's art that paints red apple.
Yeah, here is the example. Paints apple red. Who made apple red? Who create apple red? What is that? That is, answer is God's art, which describes that apple is red. Very good. Next one. Names are mostly repeating. Don't type continuously. Don't comment continuously.
Sir, can I say this answer without your presentation?
Yeah, why not? What is your name? First of all, tell me your name.
Prachi.
Very good. Okay, read question and answer. I will present later.
Okay. Why is it foolish to say God is dead when God is 1 minute, sir? When all of nature shouts that He is here.
Very good. Then what will you add from question? Good.
What, sir?
Yeah, your answer is correct, but it is not enough. You need to add something from question too. Okay, no problem. Now read from the screen. Don't worry, your answer is 100% right, but you should make it according to question.
Okay, sir.
Read.
Okay. Why it is foolish to say God is dead? It is foolish to say that God is dead because wayside flowers, summer breeze, cool night full of stars, morning light, etc. shouts that God is here.
Yeah. You have said nature. Whatever I present, that is the part of nature. Why is it foolish to say God is dead? Answer is that it is foolish to say that God is dead because we can see wayside flowers, feel summer breeze, different kinds of foods, night full of stars, morning with light, etc. These all shouts and say, God is not dead. God is here. God is with us. Very good. Now,
Sir,
yes,
sir, please tell to Givisha to not track big commenting.
I told everyone recording is going on. Don't
She writes so big commenting.
I know. At last we will discuss. Again repeat. Now no one will write comments. I will ask from the old comments only. Now here, fill in the blanks. Is there anyone who can read these three without my
Sir,
presentation?
can I read this, sir? I know without your
Not all.
presentation.
Not I. I don't know who are you. I don't know who are you. Tell me your
Sir, my
name.
name is Prachi. Can I read?
Sir,
What
his
is your
turn
name?
came. Sir,
His
his turn came.
Can I
Yes,
read Nirmal Drashti?
his Seta Prachi turn